lost his stance. Steam turns black, the whistle screams. Thomas is no longer what it seems. Monster train racing through the dark. Thunder rolls with his blazing spark. Metal claws and glowing eyes. Thomas rides where fear now lies. The station's empty, the silence grows. A monstrous engine nobody knows. Deep inside, a heart still burns, longing for his old returns. Once a friend, now a fright, rolling deep into the night. Chasing sparks and screaming skies. Thomas, what hides in those eyes? Bridges quake, Thomas roars, the heavens wake. But in the fog a voice remains, calling Thomas back again. Monster train on a wicked spree, who could stop his wild decree? Chains of power, flames ignite, Thomas rides into the night. Who could stop his wild decree? Chains of power, flames ignite, Thomas rides into the night. In the dawn the monster fades. Who could stop his wild decree? The echoes of the beast still sing, of the train that